what's the difference between boogers and broccoli? Kids don't eat their broccoli. Oh, she's totally getting sick in her hand. Hey, Nikki, you're a great comedy partner. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A dancer.
Oh, that's cool. Hey, do you know why the skeleton didn't go to the dance? Because he had nobody to go with. It's true, you can ask him. Hey, Nikki, I see a lot of people are dressed up for Halloween. Are you going to dress up for Halloween? No? I got a great idea for a scary costume. You can go dressed like that guy. Oh my God, it's alligator.